Rather than size, it is the composition of emergency fund which matters the most. Building only cash as a part of emergency fund is not enough. Hence, a combination of insurance cover and cash is the best solution. Not all emergencies of life can be covered through insurance. It is important to maintain a minimum cash reserve as a part of emergency fund. As a thumb rule, the minimum size must be equal to 6 times your monthly expense. Moving on to life insurance, uh, this type of insurance is important for all working adults, even for the homemakers too. The minimum cover should be 120 times the present monthly income. Then comes medical insurance. In this age of rising in medical bills, medical insurance is a must. For people who have a medical cover provided by the employer, must buy another one funded by self. The minimum size of medical cover must be equal to 5 times the present monthly income. Motor insurance is also important. So we know that a motor insurance cover is anyways compulsory for all owners, but beyond the regulation, this cover is quite utilitarian. So, for example, if you're owning a luxury car, then you can even have a add-on covers like consumable cover or return to invoice cover. Lastly, property insurance. The minimum property insurance cover must include fire protection, though it is called fire insurance, but it also covers a lot of other things such as damage from lightning, explosion, aircraft damage, riot, strike, malicious damage, storm, cyclone, etc. As a thumb rule, you need to maintain 1 times the property value, or you need to have a 150 times the home loan you are paying in terms of property insurance.